My name is Brandon Diggs.
I'm Evan Franceschini.
Demitri, Guiton.
I'm Nicolas, Hessenberger, and this is our project on TSLOTS Workcell Redesign for Futura Industries. To introduce our project, our sponsor is Futura Industries, and our technical advisor is Dr. Reza Paragabagar. To give some background on our project, Futura Industries is a customized aluminum extrusion manufacturer located in Clearfield, Utah. Their flagship product is the T-slot, and you can see an example of that on the right. The manufacturing process that we're dealing with here consists of 4 major phases. First, the saw machine, which cuts the extrusions to lengths for different orders. Then from there it moves on to the tap machine, which puts threads into the different extrusions if need be. From there you can move on to the mill machine if other alterations are needed to the extrusions. And from there, if they need to go to be cleaned, they move on to the cleaning station.
Our problem statement for Futura Industries is the T-SLOTS operation process, which is composed of 4 main operations: sawing, tapping, milling, and cleaning. Production becomes slowed at the tap station, which is the bottleneck we will be analyzing. Futura Industries needs a redesigned method of transportation and Workcell design to increase production efficiency while also maintaining the safety of operators.
For literature reviews, we decided to divide them up into different areas of studies. The first 2, we decided to divide them up into Workcell design and facility design. We saw fit to research case studies and articles on effective and non-effective Workcell designs and facility designs to help aid us in our solutions and help us learn from other previous designs. Moving on to material tagging systems, our team researched the use of these material tagging systems in managing the flow and batching of materials. Next, we have the andon lights implementation. Andon, a Japanese term for a lighting system, is a viable way to manage the machines and equipment that execute the operations. They typically have 3 colors: green for a working machine, yellow if assistance will be needed, and red if a machine is down. Next, we have the automated manufacturing. Our team and our sponsor both agreed that the use of automated manufacturing, though it can be pricey, may be an effective implementation to this project, so long as it fits within our given budget. We saw fit to consider this as an option for material transportation. Next, we have the 5S and the ergonomics. We want to ensure that our proposed implementations of the workplace will be organized to run efficiently and effectively while also ensuring that the safety and ease for operators. Our team wanted to consider the safety of workers when using the machinery, especially because they are often required to move heavy and awkwardly shaped metal extrusions.
Our design methodology, as of now, focuses on 3 major implementations to the current production system. First, we would like to implement a tagging system. This tagging system would include 2 different tags. The first would distinguish which orders need to be tapped and which orders do not need to be tapped, as not all of them do in the current production system. The second tag would designate which order that extrusion is a part of. So with the 2 different tags, you would know if that individual extrusion needs to be tapped or not, and also which batch it is a part of. Secondly, we would like to move the tapping machine to the larger run-out table in the staging area. In the current system, once an extrusion is cut on the sawing machine, it needs to be put on a cart and then taken to the tap machine, and then from there back to the staging area. This practice is not ergonomically sound, as the workers have to lift the heavy extrusions, which are also very awkward in length, place it on the cart, move it, and then bend over again to reach and move it to a higher level. Thirdly, we would like to have the saw operator measure the length of the extrusions. In the current model, the tap operator is the person responsible for measuring the extrusions to make sure that they are the right length. However, since the tap operation is the bottleneck, we think it would be more fitting if the saw operator did this measurement instead, as the saw operator has excess capacity and thus has more time to execute this step. So as for our future steps, in 3 weeks' time, Futura Industries will be sponsoring our trip to go visit the plant and take personnel surveys as well as collect data on the current processes there. After which, we will design more solutions, compile our final report, and then submit our suggestions to Futura Industry for their consideration.